LiveTrack requires always allow location permission to function properly. This setting ensures the app can track your location continuously, even when running in the background during activities. Without always allow permission, LiveTrack may only work when the app is actively open on your screen, which isn't useful for real-time live updates during outdoor activities. Additionally, make sure precise location is enabled. Using only approximate or general location data may not provide the accuracy needed for effective tracking. Here are examples of location permission settings on mobile devices. Notice the different options available for location access. Properly configuring these permissions is essential for LiveTrack to work reliably. Always check your device settings and ensure both background access and precise location are enabled. On iPhones, start by opening the Settings app. Navigate to Privacy and Security, then tap Location Services to access the location permission settings. Once in Location Services, ensure the main toggle at the top is switched on. This allows apps to access location data. Scroll through the list of apps until you find Garmin Connect. This is where you'll adjust the specific permissions for the Garmin app. Tap on Garmin Connect, then set the location permission to Always to allow continuous tracking. Also, make sure precise location is enabled for accurate GPS data. After making these changes, fully close the Garmin Connect app from the app switcher and reopen it. This ensures the new permissions take effect immediately. On Android devices, checking location permissions for Garmin Connect is straightforward. First, open your Settings app and navigate to Location, then App Permissions. Find the Garmin Connect app in the list and ensure location access is set to allow all the time for continuous tracking. This setting allows the app to access your location even when not actively using it. Android's battery optimization features can also cause issues by pausing background apps. You'll need to adjust this separately. Go to Settings, then Apps, find Garmin Connect, and tap on Battery. Select Unrestricted to allow the app to run in the background without interruptions, preventing LiveTrack from being paused. Keep in mind that the exact menu paths may vary slightly depending on your Android version and phone manufacturer, so look for similar options if the steps don't match exactly. If LiveTrack still isn't working after checking permissions, start with these basic troubleshooting steps. First, restart your smartphone and Garmin device. This simple step clears temporary glitches that might be interfering with location tracking. Next, ensure you have the latest version of the Garmin Connect app. Open your App Store and check for updates to get the newest fixes. Then, check for any pending Garmin device firmware updates. These updates improve compatibility and resolve known issues with tracking features. If problems persist, try uninstalling and reinstalling the Garmin Connect app as a last resort. This clears any corrupted data and gives you a fresh start. Garmin has been actively addressing LiveTrack issues with updates. In March 2026, firmware update v9.0 for devices like the Forerunner 265 and Edge 840 enhanced background location handling. The Garmin Connect app version 5.8 Plus on iOS and Android includes a location permission wizard to guide users through setup. Make sure your device and app are up to date to benefit from these improvements. Many users have encountered LiveTrack issues following operating system updates on their smartphones. These updates can sometimes reset or revoke app permissions, causing tracking to fail. For instance, after an iOS or Android update, users often find that the Garmin Connect app no longer has access to location data. This is because operating system updates can clear previous permission settings. A common fix is to manually reset the permissions. Navigate to your phone's settings, find the Garmin Connect app, go to Location Settings, and ensure it's set to allow location access either all the time or while using the app. On Android devices, battery optimization features can cause LiveTrack to pause or stop during extended use, as the system may limit the app's background activity to save power. To resolve this, go to your Android settings, navigate to Battery Options, find the Garmin Connect app, and disable battery optimization for it. This allows the app to run continuously in the background. These real-world examples demonstrate that while LiveTrack problems can be frustrating, the solutions are typically straightforward and involve checking and adjusting app permissions. Staying aware of these settings ensures reliable location tracking during your activities.